First of all, we will be making a simple cat model. We draft the model with the complete dimension on the paper. We are going to start off by making a sketch by choosing a front plane. Next, we choose a line to sketch upward with 20 milliliter line. Then, draw a 30 milliliter line to the right. Next, we create a line down to 45 degrees with the line of 3 milliliter. Draw a line 20 milliliter to the right. Then create a 1 milliliter line downward. Then create a 10 milliliter line to the right. And 1 milliliter upward. Then draw a 5 milliliter line to the right. After that, we create 45 degree downwards. With the line 5 milliliter. Okay. Make a line 1 millimeter downward. Furthermore, make a 5 milliliter line to the right. And 1 milliliter upward.
Next, we make a 4 millimeters line to the right. Then, we choose tangent arc to create a bend with 10 millimeters radius. A 20 millimeters line to the right. After that, make a 45 degrees line downward. With the length of 1.14 millimeters. Continue the line downward and join the line with a 20 millimeter line we made at the beginning. Then, click solid to revolve to make a cylinder shape. And lastly, click home and select a right plane and click the center of the diameter circle to create a 8 millimeters diameter. After that, we click the circle that we made just now and we extrude the workpiece inward 20 millimeters. We finish the CAD process. That's all.
There are 4 steps of turning simulation for the workpiece. First, you have to click the button manufacture and click the setup to change the setting. First, we have to change the operation type to turning process. And then click the flip Z axis. And click the body of the model. And then you click the post process and change the WCS offset to 3. And then click OK. Now let's begin the first step of turning operation. Firstly, click the turning face and choose the select tools, and we use the type of turning general, and the tools in the turning general use is selected. And then you have to change the surface speed for the tools, which is 91.44 meter per minute. And then you have to change the cutting feed rate 0.127 millimeter per revolution. And don't forget to change the clearance to disable. And then you click OK. Click the face to right click and stimulate the simulation. Click play button. Click the play button again and exit the simulation. The next step is click the turning roughing, and we don't have to change anything in the setting, just same as before. The third step is click the turning profile finishing and select the tools in the setting. we use turning grooving types, and the tool used is OD grooving with 0.8 mm kernel radius and overall length is 30 mm. And select, and also don't forget to change the surface speed and also the cutting feed rate. The surface speed and the cutting speed rate is the same as the previous tool. And then click OK. Lastly, click the turning parts to cut the parts off from the bar. And again, we don't have to change the setting, and it's the same as before. And you just have to click OK. Lastly, you click the setup and right click and click the stimulate to see the simulation, and in the stimulate box you will tick the stop and play the button to see the simulation. And this is the final step in the turning operation. This is the slow motion of the turning operation simulation.